Hello everybody, today I want to talk with you about how to change location on Facebook Marketplace on iPhone. Now pay attention, you need open your app, update your app first, okay? Now in your three lines, in the corner, towards here and open your Marketplace. Now in the corner, can you watch your profiles towards here and then you need open, scroll, make your scroll and open your settings here. The third option is location, okay? Can you watch towards here? And here you can change your location, okay? It's so easy and really fast. Don't worry about that. Remember, update your app, because if you can watch that option in your menu, it's because your app not is the same that me. Or if you make this video example 3, 5 or 6 months later, maybe this option could be are in another place, okay? But say inside our marketplace. Have a good day and see you later.